Hi Gators, welcome to today's video. We're going to be going over a registration tutorial today. We're going to be focusing on getting from our class schedule, knowing our class, to officially enrolling. Okay, so first we're going to start off on our main website. We're going to hover over here above quick links. We're going to click on class schedule. Okay, this is going to bring us to our class schedule page. This is where we can look up classes. Okay, today we're going to be utilizing the quick class search since we're going to be looking up a specific class. But just a brief overview of some tips and tricks on advanced class search. Okay, so if you're looking for classes that have you just want to see seats available, you should click this button. If you're looking for specific instruction modes, you can click one of these. But most importantly, this is really useful when you're looking for specific course attributes. Now, course attributes could be anything from looking for specific general education sections. Okay, maybe you're looking for an SF state studies requirement. Maybe you're looking for an upper division course. So that's where you can kind of get very specific on a requirement area that you're looking for. Okay, but today we're going to focus on utilizing the quick class search. So before we enter our number here, we want to make sure that we're on the right term. So for this instance, it's fall 2025, and we're on academic regular session. Today we're going to be looking at Biology 100. Okay, so when you start typing in the abbreviation, it's going to pop up. We're going to click on it, click space, and 100, and then click quick search. It's going to load up the classes here. We're going to register for this top one right here. Just a brief overview of what this all means. This is the course abbreviation. This is the type, so it's a lecture. Title is Human Biology, how many units it is. I'll come back to this. This is the course attribute, so what requirements it might be meeting. Meeting and location, instruction mode, the professor. This is how many seats are left. Okay, that's good to note. So let's say this had 90 seats, but now it's at 50. That means, 40 people have enrolled in it. And then this has 5 waitlisted. So this is how many are left in terms of the waitlisted seats. Okay, back to this. This is the class number. So this is the unique code for this specific class that we want to register for. You'll notice that it's different from the number below here, and that's because these are 2 different sections. So today we're going to be enrolling in this top one here. So the first thing to do is to copy the number. Okay, and then we're going to go to our student center. If you're looking how to get to your student center, you want to log in to your SF State gateway. Best way to do that, go from the main website, click on login here at the top right, and then click on this and sign into your account using your SF State credentials that you have. All right. Once we get to this page here, we're going to be focusing on the top left. So this is our academics spot. You can see I already have some classes that are in my schedule. They'll populate here. But today we need to enroll in a class. So we're going to go ahead and click on enroll here. It's going to bring us to this area, and you'll see that we have a shopping cart here. We're on the right term. We always want to make sure we're on the term that we want to register for. Okay, and then down below here, you'll see that I already have some classes that are enrolled, and they have these green check marks. That's how you know that I'm enrolled in them. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and paste the class number right into here that we just copied. All right, and then we're going to click enter. This is basically just going to verify that we're wanting to enroll in the class that we want to do, right? So this is just going to show some enrollment information. This green circle here is showing that it's still open, right? If it was waitlisted, it would have a yellow triangle. And if it was closed, it would have a blue square. Reason why that is important is that if, let's say this was a waitlisted class, right, had a yellow triangle, then before we can proceed, we want to make sure we check this waitlist box and then click next. Okay, that's going to be able to put us on the waitlist for a waitlisted class. All right, if it's a closed class, but maybe we received a permission number, then we would want to enter this permission number before we proceed. Same thing for prerequisites. If you receive a permission number to override a prerequisite, you'd still want to be able to put this permission number in here. Okay, but today we have an open class. We can take it. We're just going to go ahead and click next. Okay, that's now going to populate into our shopping cart. And then you're not done. This is not officially enrolling in the class. We need to click proceed to step 2 of 3. Okay, you're going to get here. We're now on the confirm classes section. This is the one that we want. This is the time. All right, it's still green, so it's still showing that it's open. And we're going to go ahead and click finish enrolling. And there we go. We now have the class that says success. You can see the green check mark, so we know that we're officially enrolled. If you want to double check, go ahead and click on My Class Schedule. Scroll down. We're looking for Biology 100, and we see it here. We see that it says enrolled, right? So we have done it. That is it for today's video. We're going to be doing a series on this. So we'll be doing some other tips and tricks on registration, understanding DPR, and more. All right. Well, have a good rest of your day, everyone. Bye.